MESA stands for Mathematics, Engineering, Science Achievement. We're a transfer preparation program. We want to ensure that students have the professional and the academic support to get them from point A to point B. And so we provide everything from the academic to the career connections and the mentor connections, and ensure that they have all the resources that they need here at Edmonds College before they transition to their next four-year program, whether that's here at Edmonds or that's at one of their future universities.
I'm graduating with my DTA in biology, and I will be transferring next fall to Washington State University. I found out about MESA actually through TRIO. They help students who are first generation, which I am, and so I really didn't know what I was doing when I first got here. And so it was really nice actually to be able to find these programs, because then I felt like I had a better chance of transferring and being able to do what I wanted.
Coming back to school as an adult and a parent, having the extra time to study was difficult. So having that support when I needed it, and that push to say, you got this, you can do this test, or you're able to understand this concept, just give yourself that opportunity. It gave me confidence.
The fact that we have sofas to study on, in my dorm room we don't have that. So it just makes it super chill and calming to study here.
Most help I got from MESA, there were many help I got, but the most one is going to UW Seattle. On the transfer day, I met an advisor there for mechanical engineering, talked with her, and reviewed my academic plan. I got accepted, so that was really helpful from the MESA program.
We had an event at the University of Washington in Seattle where it was a Women in STEM event at UW, and the MESA group actually got together. We signed up for it, and we went there. We represented our college, we represented the organization, and that was wonderful because we were able to be proud of what MESA has done for us and share that with others at the University of Washington.
I work on MESA because they're a big family that's there to support you whenever you need it. So if you need someone to talk to and get motivated again, or get excited about school again, or if you're confused about something about your program, or you need help with a test or something, there's always someone here.
I think it was really able to kind of help me blossom as a person, because then I was okay, I found kind of people who relate to me or like-minded, because we're all here because we're in STEM or whatever it is, and then just being able to meet other people and be okay, so I'm not just by myself. I can, fit in somewhere and be a part of a group that normally I may haven't thought of that I could be in.